The white circle opens a portal leading Roxy and the Winx into the kingdom of Tir Nan Og, where the wizards have exiled the earth fairies. Queen Morgana and the fairy people regain their freedom, but the Winx soon find out that the earth fairies are not the nice creatures of fairy tales.
It's all my fault. What did I do?
The realm of vengeance begins. Vengeance against the wizards of the Black Circle, who hunted us and deprived us of our freedom.
You couldn't have known, Roxy. It's not your fault. Morgana, she was the woman who appeared in my dreams. But she was so different, so kind. I just can't believe she's a vengeance fairy.
Roxy,
Huh?
be strong. We'll deal with it together. You'll see. Hey, what are all those long faces for? I have great news. I just got off the phone with Jason Queen.
Wow, what a scoop.
You were so funny. He was at the Fruity Music Bar the other night and he saw our performance. Oh no, how embarrassing. Are you kidding? He thought we were great and wants to hire us. An all-girl band. Isn't it awesome?
Rock and roll, girls!
Smell that, girls. It's the sweet smell of success.
Don't get ahead of yourself, Stella. Jason only wants us to play in a new band competition he's organizing.
Really? Then the Fruity Music Bar could host the competition.
Ha! Winning won't be easy. Our band isn't bad, but except for Musa, we're all just amateur musicians.
Are you kidding? You were great last time. And the crowd loves you. Hey, why don't you perform at the Fruity Music Bar tonight?
It would be great practice for the competition.
Hi, Bloom.
Sky?
Wow, you're...
Spectacular, girls.
Huh? Thank you, Andy. That's very kind of you.
But I think you might be overdoing it with the accessories.
Listen to him. Are you trying to give us fashion tips?
Who, me? No.
It's hard enough trying to teach you the rock basics.
Come on, let's start the sound check.
But...
Take it easy, Sky.
I don't know why, but I get the feeling this rock band thing will only bring trouble.
I think you're a little paranoid, Sky. And if Andy and the guys want to help the girls, I think that's great.
Yep, Bloom and Andy seem to be getting pretty close. If I didn't know any better, I'd think you were her ex-boyfriend, Sky, not Andy.
What did you say?
Hey, relax, Sky. I was only kidding.
All right, chill out, guys. Let's not make a fool of ourselves, okay?
Well done, Musa. You sounded great. Whoa, what's going on?
She's beautiful.
A major fairy? What's she doing here?
Be on guard, girls. I smell trouble.
It's soporific pollens. Hold your breath as long as you can.
Dad? Dad! Kiko!
Her magic has no effect on us.
Good. This is definitely better. This is strictly a matter for fairies only.
What did you do to my father?
He's only sleeping. Our Queen Morgana wants to know you better, Roxy. Let me introduce myself. I am Diana, Major Fairy of Nature.
We already know what Morgana wants, and you're wasting your time. Roxy will never join you.
The last Earth Fairy will join her sisters in the fight against Ogron and the humans. That is her destiny.
I understand your rage, but why are you so resentful against humans? They didn't imprison you. The fairy hunters did.
You dare to defend Earth people? They've been afflicting this world with hatred, wars, and environmental catastrophes for centuries. They are guilty, and now they'll pay.
No, no!
I can't transform. These fruits absorb all our energy.
Stop it, Diana! Stop it, please! Let them go! They've got nothing to do with it!
You must make a choice, Roxy. Serving our Queen Morgana, or join the humans and suffer their same destiny.
Girls?
Is everyone all right? They're extremely strong. Use your powers, Flora. Try to free yourself.
I can't. These magic roots have weakened me.
Concentrate. You're the fairy of nature. You can do it. Yes, that's it. Go on, Flora. You're doing great.
It's no use. Diana has absolute control over nature.
Save your energy. I'll use my magic to loosen those roots. It may not be enough to free you, but it'll be enough to regain your energy.
It's working! I can almost move! Let's get ready for the transformation. Let's put our Believix powers together. Winx Believix!
Let's go. Diana couldn't have gotten too far. I can clearly sense her magic trail. Yes, she's in Gardenia Park.
Wait! My father, the pets, all these people. We can't just leave them like this.
They're safe here, Roxy. They're gonna wake up soon.
And they'll only feel like they've had a nightmare.
Specialists, we have a mission to complete. Oh, no!
Unbelievable! Diana turned Gardenia into a jungle.
Well, whoever wanted more green areas in the city will be happy now.
It looks like nature took back what humans took away from it. Ah! Help! Somebody!
Get us down from here!
I don't know, guys. Something feels weird. Look, they're transforming!
Heads up, guys! We've got more monsters coming!
Phew, it's a good thing they didn't see us.
It's risky to stay in the open.
My parents! I'm afraid they could be in danger. I have to reach them.
I'll go with you.
No, leave that to us, Guy. Bloom's neighborhood isn't that far away.
Thanks to the Believix power, we can teleport there in a second.
You guys find Diana. We'll be in touch with you.
Forget about it. We're not leaving you alone in this jungle.
Relax, love. We're grown fairies now.
Be careful, okay?
All right, that's enough of that, guys. Let's roll.
Good luck, Griffin.
Let's get in a circle, girls.
Wingsumix!
I'll get you out of there. Fire arrow!
Oh no! Let's try together, Bloom.
It's useless, girls. The web can resist direct attacks. Get behind me. I'll try to dematerialize it.
Dragon wing!
Oh, Bloom! Thank goodness you came.
I was afraid of this. Huh? Bloom? Huh? We've got a problem. We made it angry. What? Who did we make angry? Him!
Diana? I order you to free the Earth people.
Who's gonna look after your little plants when you're gone?
My creatures will soon multiply. This dull steel prison needs light and color, don't you think?
Well, I don't know. What do you say, Sky?
I say we only let her leave once she reverses her spell.
You heard the man, Diana. Get to it while we're still in a good mood.
I won't tolerate your lack of respect. I gave life back to this city. I can almost feel its breath.
No! I could use a hand over here.
Try to break free, Timmy.
This is no joke.
Flowers? Is that all you got, Diana? And all this time I thought you had power. My eyes! Oh no!
Those flowers emit a very particular pollen designed to overpower insects like you. Don't worry, it's just temporary. But even plants have to defend themselves.
Don't make us hurt you.
I've already been hurt. For years, I've felt the pain of nature being destroyed by the same people who you defend.
But the Earth is also home to many wonderful people. Men and women who can save it. But you seem only interested in its destruction!
Spirits of nature, arise!
Try to pin it to the ground, Naboo. You have to stop it from moving.
That's one down.
Naboo, behind you!
Oh!
Very good. I shouldn't have underestimated your magic.
No! Resist!
Get off my roof, you overgrown flea!
Solar storm! Stereo crash!
Girls, couldn't you adjust your aim a bit? Just a bit?
Sorry, Mike. We'll fix everything later. I promise.
Okie dokie.
Don't worry, Techno! Harmonic attack! Well done, Musa! You hit it!
Techno shock!
Plasma barrier!
Roxy, try to calm it down with your power. The Morphix won't last for that long.
Hurry, Roxy! It's not my type of pet, but I might be able to establish contact.
Get away from it! It's too dangerous!
Almost done! Summer Thunder!
Thanks, Techna. It nearly got me that time.
Huh? Listen, it sounds like there's a girl in trouble.
Please, somebody help me, please!
That way, quickly!
I recognize that voice.
Help!
What's the matter, Mitzi? Parking problems?
Oh, hello, Bloom. No, false alarm. Everything's fine here. Go back and play with your fairy friends. Go on.
If you say so. See ya.
No, wait! Please, just get it down.
Sure, no problem. There you go.
Ah! Why, yes, you fairy! Bloom, you're gonna pay for this.
Hope your insurance covers spider attacks.
Huh? But...
Well, sorry if it doesn't.
Oh, no. That was my best shot. Why is it still up?
Huh? It's like it's indestructible. Actually, it's a very common spider.
It's an Argiope acuminata, to be precise, and it's absolutely harmless.
Maybe in its smaller form.
Diana turned it into a monster, but if we could... Okay, listen to me. I've got an idea. Diana's range of power is limited to Gardenia, right?
Yes, for the time being.
Then if we teleport the monster out of town, maybe the spell will end.
Techna, you really are a genius.
Here goes.
Winx!
Huh?
Oh! Huh? But...
Good. Here we'll be fine.
I don't think he likes it that much.
Wait a second. Look, Techna's right.
Diana's much too far away now. Her magic's not effective here.
You can go back to the forest now, little spider.
Step 1 completed. What's our next stop?
The Gardenia Park. The specialists are fighting Diana, and I think they're going to need some help.
Naboo!
Layla! Girls,
Naboo!
What happened? Where are the others?
Forgive me. I tried to stop her.
Are they all right?
Unfortunately, not even a wizard from Andros can do anything against the major fairies.
I can't believe that!
Diana defeated the specialists so easily. Then she had her warrior fairies take them away. Back to their realm.
No!
They disappeared before my eyes, and I couldn't do anything.
It's not your fault. We have to find them. They'll be all right, Musa.
I'm scared, Bloom. I feel like I'm never gonna see him again.
Don't say that. The specialists are strong. They'll be fine, you'll see.
I know, it's just that Ribbon and I have argued so much lately. I don't want to lose him.
We'll find him, Musa. Right?
Right! Does anybody know where Diana's realm is?
Amazonia, girls, that is your next destination. A vast forest known as the Lung of the World.
The Lung of the World?
Exactly. It's the only place on Earth where humans haven't completely conquered the vegetable world.
Fantastic! That means more jungle and bugs and giant spiders. I'm getting tired of this.
I don't understand, Headmistress. Why would Diana want to kidnap the specialists? I think it's a trap.
Yes, and how are we going to defeat her? I mean, she's a very powerful fairy, and in her kingdom, she'll be even stronger.
I'm afraid you're right, Musa. Unfortunately, your Believix powers are ineffective against a major fairy.
What? Well, then how?
There is only one way to defeat her. You will have to go beyond the Believix. You must discover the immense power of the gifts of destiny. In the next episode, the Amazonian forest is in danger, and the Winx are attacked by Diana's warrior fairies and wicked deforesters working for a greedy speculator. Meanwhile, the guys are in trouble, and only a stronger power can rescue them. It is time to discover the first Destiny's gift.
Life is what we make.